I'm Big B, and welcome to the Triple G Nation. If you're into fast cars, luxury cars, trucks, shit, things with four wheels in general, this the channel for you. If you're a Second Amendment believer and a gun junkie like myself, I'm most definitely doing gun reviews, range vlogs, all types of shit. Just drop comments and let me know what y'all want to see. Motherfucker, I'm bringing y'all nothing but content. I swear to God. Matter of fact, just see for yourself. Run that intro.
The eyes, Chico. They never lie.
Cook that shit up, Quay. Oh my gosh, back at it again. Back at it. In the
Quick stop before the surprise. Decisions. Fat people shit.
All that shit.
All that shit. It's gonna be beeps from here.
I told y'all I was gonna try.
We giving y'all nothing but raw footage. We not doing no stage shit. We gon' mess up. All that. It's the practice trial. Just stick along.
Was you gonna wait till I keep going before you turn?
Chicago drivers are the most ignorant people in the
Oh my
world.
goodness.
Like you were saying the story.
So yeah, I'm in this wife's group or whatever, and they have posted this post. The husband got mad at the wife because, you know, when they got together, the wife already had a kid or whatever.
Right.
Then they got together, they got married and had their own kid. The whole time, the other kid's father, you know, would come pick the kid up and, you know, take him out and take care of him and do whatever fathers do when they pick up their kids from the parents, from other parent.
Right.
So now, their son, the husband and wife's son, is 5. And the ex wants to pick up that son too, to take him to do crap that he did with his son when he picked him up.
Right.
And the question was if you agree or disagree with that, and was the husband wrong for feeling that type of way. And personally, as a woman, that situation could go both ways, and this is basically how I answered the question, minus all the extra words that I use.
Right.
So I'm like,
extra words.
as a woman, you know, that situation could go both ways. I know people who that look scared me. Oh my god. I know parents who co-parent and cool with, you know, the other parent coming to get all the kids, you know, like as in best friend situation.
Don't mention. I'm recording.
I understand. I ain't say no name. I just said best friend. Like in that situation, they cool with that. In our situation, you know, that was cool. So it could work out, but that level of maturity has to be there. Not only that, you have to respect both wishes. If your husband don't want this other, your ex-baby daddy coming to get y'all son, like how can you be mad at that? How is that a big deal? Like, that's crazy, right? How do you feel about that? So say like I had kids when we got married, and
really,
now
nigga,
we have a kid, and my ex-baby daddy want to come and get all the kids.
Right.
How would you feel about that?
I mean, I don't think I'm that mature. I'm still a work in progress, and it's above me.
Yeah, I mean, I feel that way though. Me personally, I wouldn't be okay with that. Like, I would figure something out to do with my kid that I still have while the other kids are gone with their father, something for them to do at that time. Like, I personally couldn't send my baby with this other man. Like, I don't even understand how the wife is upset at that, because
people have
like,
two different visions.
I feel like, what if his old baby mama want to come and take your kid? Are you gonna let?
Yeah, let
that go?
Like that plays a factor in things too. Because typically in a black household, black women don't want the other bitch around their kid.
You said the B word.
I'm gonna add beeps. I'm editing.
That ain't going. Like, I know I ain't going. If you had a kid and your baby mama tried to come get our kid, I would look at her like...
I wouldn't even... I'd be like, can you fight? Can you fight before you ask this? Because she gon'...
Because that's gon'... I mean, with me, like, I'm totally not that mature. Like, I know good well I'm not that mature. I probably would never be that mature. Like, he better not even have another baby mama anyway. Like, we beyond that. But...
Come on now.
But still, like, no, I'm sorry, absolutely not. Like, I sided with the husband, like, bitch, are you crazy? Like,
well, that's story time. We'll get back with y'all in a minute. Hot. Little arsenal set up right now. About to let wifey get off real quick. Yeah, let him see it. Hot. Hold on. Hold on. He called it the worst way. Okay. Had you SD9VE. Sights on. AR. Sights. Let me see the camera. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see the sights. Poor quality, but hey, this right here, y'all, I'm gonna add one of these to the channel with the M&P. Alright.
That shit hurt.
you want to sit on that?
Yeah, I will. Now it's hot. I just got through busting that bitch. It's a little warm. Remember how I taught you how to hold the other one?
I don't.
Come on now. Look through the sight. No. Hold it up against your shoulder right there. No. Hold it up in here.
It's hot right there.
I know, you gotta hold it. Look through the sights. Look at what you're trying to hit.
It's not gonna hit me in my mouth.
No. She done with that bitch. She done with it. Come here. Come here.
I'm always getting burnt.
How you finish this bitch off, man? This motherfucker hot right here. This one for us, Triple G Nation. Alright, Triple G family. As you can see, it's the next day. I forgot to vlog yesterday after we had left the range, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? We had entirely too much fun, and that comes along with it. But check it out. I want y'all to just take a spoonful of this motivation soup. If you had a thought process of believing in yourself and wanting more, believe me, you can do it. All you gotta do is put that action behind it and that grind. Man, if you want to be a millionaire, just grind it out, baby. Grind it out. I have 3 big influences on doing this YouTube shit, and it's Tall Guy Car Reviews, Ami and the Hellcat, and CJ on 32s. They laid down the blueprint to let me know like anything is achievable, man. Anything. They make it look easy, but I know it's grind put into this. So I know I gotta work just as hard, just like I do when I do barbering or when I'm doing locks. I gotta put down that grind and promote and promote and promote. That's why I need y'all, family. I need y'all to motherfucking comment, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let me know, man, what y'all want to see. I got y'all. I got our first car review coming soon. Our first car review is coming soon. I might shoot that mug today, but I got friends with guns. I'm gonna see if I can get them up in the mix, see if they want to show some of their weapons and add to the content. And man, I just want to let y'all know, like, man, anything, we can do it, man. We special. Everybody, I see it like this. Check it out. We all blessed with a talent. Everybody has a talent. It's all about how you manifest it and resource and use it as a resource and create revenue off of it. We all have a talent, but we don't have the same opportunity. Nobody has the same opportunity as the next. It's all about what you go out there and get. Some people are giving, some people take. I'm a taker. Are you gonna be a taker? If so, man, drop a comment. Let the gang know what you want to know, what you want to see, you know what I'm saying, what content you influenced by, and motherfucking just hit that notification bell, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, man, we out of here, gang.
Look in the mirror, I see a great man, but look in the mirror.